Islington Square by CZWG Architects in London, United Kingdom. The former North London Postal sorting offices were housed in three large Edwardian red brick buildings, mostly hidden from view behind the surrounding Georgian streets and squares. The Grade 2 listed post office fronting Upper Street becomes one of two main pedestrian entrance routes through to a grand central tree-lined boulevard at the core of the development, from which many of the commercial functions and residential upper parts are reached. The principal building to the west provides large loft-style apartments that celebrate the building's original Edwardian Baroque features, including high ceilings, tall sash windows, and ornate external detailing. Carefully integrated are 108 studio and one-bedroom serviced apartments and communal facilities, including the breakfast room and residence lounge, business facilities, laundrette, and fitness center. Above, an additional floor of penthouses each has access to roof gardens, individual pools, and views over the skyline. A new 6-story building to the north shares a central amenity courtyard garden with a series of sweeping curved facades and balconies. Triple basements house a large cinema complex, a huge gymnasium, and two theater spaces to complement the retail and cafes of the ground and mezzanine areas. CZWG was commissioned by Sager to develop a master plan in 2003, securing planning and listed building consent in 2005, amended in 2013 under Section 73. CZWG has worked closely with the client to adapt to changing market conditions and land acquisitions throughout the 20-year lifespan of this award-winning project, and maintained control of the master delivery program through the succession of contractors on the scheme.